Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods and one more sofa set. These days, every time I come up for a video, I see a different, unique design and one more different set here. We are getting pictures from across the globe these days, and there's too many pictures from the Middle East, from Egypt, Turkey, Italian furniture, even Chinese furniture, and people are loving the designs, and that's why they want these designs to be made by Arson and delivered back to those countries also. Yes, we are also sending the stuff back to Italy, and we have been sending to 55 countries across the globe. We are working with top interior designers, top architects, and every time we come up with a different design. There are three things I'd like to inform you what we are doing at Arson. At Arson, first thing we do is make customized furniture. And the term that we have coined is choice wala furniture. Means what you want, we make that. So if you see here, we have a three-seater, we have got two chairs, we have a divan, a chaise lounge, but this is small in size. In fact, we also have one more three-seater, but that is kept at the back. And we have a beautiful table also, very stylish designer table. I'll show you a little later. But everything is different sized. This unit is 7 feet out and out. But front to back, this is 36 inches. Our regular units are 30 or 32. So this is the size part. Back height is a little more than 4 feet. And the chair is 42 inches left to right, so a little bigger than regular size. And back height is again little more than 4 feet, front to back 36 inches. So quite deep chair. And the divan here, the chaise lounge is 6 feet. So it's smaller than the regular one, and it's a two-seater design as the client wanted. This is about the size and the choice part, as I mentioned. So choice includes basically three things. First is the design part. Then we have the color part. Color means the actual color of the unit. And then we have the fabric. So everything is as per the client's choice. So the design the client has selected, they wanted two three-seaters, they along with a smaller divan and two chairs and a single center table. That is what we have created. Nothing less, nothing more. Fabric chosen by the client, color chosen by the client. So the entire set is as per the client's choice. Second thing here is teak wood. We are not working in fiber or resin or some other material or low quality wood. We work in teak wood. So the entire thing you're looking at here is teak wood, and the wood is the base of our work. Third thing, the paint part, the designing part, the crafting part, the the work that you are looking at here is hand work done by local master artisans. So all the carving, the patterns, designing, paint work, the cushioning part, everything is done by real humans. We don't have automation, we don't have AI, or we don't have very big machines to work on. So the basic factor here is we are generating a lot of employment, work for the people, real people, not for machines. And that is not just pushing the economy, but it also helps to generate more work, more people. And what really happens is when you are getting work, you train more people to join the work. So we are generating more work and training future generations. And all this is happening just because you are giving us orders. You are trusting us. You are giving us work. And that is what is helping everybody. So if you like our work, I request you to please share it with other people, let them know such beautiful thing is getting done right here in India and for the globe. I'll sit on the units, I'll show you the overall look of the unit also. I'm sitting on this corner. The handle is a flowing design here. So I'm when I'm sitting here, you can see my hand, my shoulder, they are getting proper rest here. Then the wide look, and even at the back you can see my knees are at the corners, so I'm getting enough space at the back. If it is not deep enough, I'll have to sit like this is not a comfortable position. Or even if I go very back and sit like something like this when the knees are over the cushion, that is again not a very good posture, not very comfortable. So this is the right and proper position for average size people, and we make it proper size, so these are comfortable also. Now coming to the chair, I'm sitting on it. You can see very wide chair and the throne look that you get in our sofas, chairs, and the designs. The color is gold, metallic gold, and as per the client's choice again. The fabric is suede. It's a plain fabric with a quilting at the back. Any changes you want in the colors, sizes, designs, patterns, fabrics, anything that is possible, everything that is possible, that is available. We try and do that, and we make the furniture at best prices, factory prices. I'll bring the table, and here we have a very stylish table along with the set. Stylish or designer or a craft work, artwork, whatever name you like to call it, 5 feet by 2.5 feet. It requires a glass on top of it. You can place glass or marble, granite, whatever you like. But it's better to place a glass, because the once you have a transparent glass, the lower part where we have so much design looks from the top. It's visible from the top. It looks very nice. So here, I'll summarize myself what Arson does. We make choice wala furniture, so everything as per your choice. We make factory price units. The price that we make is the price that you get. There is no middleman, no extra agent, no trader, no extra money. So you get the best price from Arson directly. The quality of Arson, because we have catered so many people already, we have been using the best quality wood, best products, best raw material, and the output you can see, and the thousands of testimonials on the website, hundreds and hundreds of reviews, and so many videos, everything that we have done in so many years. So all this, all experience, all connections we have, the interior designers and the architects and the inputs we get, we use everything to design something really beautiful for you. Our website, arsonwoods.com. On YouTube, you can go to Arson. Just write Arson, you'll get the channel. Check what you like, find what you like. Let us know what changes you want, how you want it. It should be as per your choice. We make it accordingly and deliver to your home in India or out of India. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Let us know what you want. Thank you. Dhanyavad.